guys. Alright, very happy to be here with all of you. Okay. Yes, here I am. Alright, yeah, pound dollar. Okay, yeah, I saw Bradley just entered the pound dollar. Well, pound dollar. Okay, looks like the pound dollar now. Well, seems like they are coming in for temporary selling. Alright, yeah, yesterday the pound dollar, yeah, it went up to by midnight, then it started to sell down. From I think over here. Yeah, I hope I hope you guys can capture this area here. Well, okay. So FOMC, yeah. Okay, yes. Sound like you're in a trench. Oh really? Let me see. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh really? Let me see. Okay. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright. I think now sound better, right? Okay. Alright. Oh, background music louder than my voice. Okay. I hope now it's better. Okay. Let's test. Okay, let me know if I sound better. Okay, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, so yep, let's go. Okay, and yeah, forgotten. Okay. Yep, alright. So yes, yesterday after the FOMC, now we are back on track again. Yeah, the FOMC. Okay. So 525 now. Correct, 5.25. Okay. No, not 5.25, sorry. From 5.25 to 5.5, right? Okay. So yeah, what will it be coming in the near future for all of us? Will yeah, somewhat strange man voice singing there. Yeah, I think so too. Okay, so yep, hopefully I hope my singing will scare the pound dollar down for Bradley. Okay, temporarily. Okay, yesterday. Okay, let's look at what's going on. Okay, from yesterday, actually if we are looking out into this area here, we have an area, this area here that need to be taken out. Yesterday it tested. Okay, over here it tested one round, then came down a little bit, then after that with the FOMC it started to swing up again. Alright, so now tested onto the resistance here. Alright, this resistance have to hold. Okay, it has to hold. Alright, if it's holding down, then we are coming down to take 129.241, or may even go to 129.120. Okay, so to meet up the support. Okay, then after that we are looking out into this area here. All right, so currently, looks like they are still looking out for some supports. Okay, some support there. So at the moment, things like all right. Okay, that's good. You're above the ground. All right. So at the moment, okay, it seems like we are setting up the support over at this area here to test into the resistance over at this area. All right. So one thing over at this point here. Okay, there's one resistance here. Okay, then probably let's see if this is able to hold it so that we can continue to go down to take 129.241 to 129.120. Okay. All right. Yes. Hi CK, nice to see you. Alright, thank you so much for coming in. Alright, so yep, once again, okay, so yep, we are back here again. Yes. And now, hi Popcorn, nice to see you. Alright, so over at this point here, yep, tentatively still looking out for some good opportunity. Right now, you realize that I did not put a pound dollar into my watch list because tentatively we are still looking up into the buy. All right, but however they are looking for support today again. Okay, they are still looking for support, so to continue the buying. So will it actually look out for the support here? All right, let's see. Okay, at the moment, looking out for somewhere, you know, well, this area here may not be the one yet. Okay, I'm still looking out for this area here. Okay, 129, 120. All right, to see if they are able to clear this area. Well, for now, all right. For now, I think today I don't know how it's going to move because for me, I always observe what is going on at the current situation. Okay, so that I can read the chart better. Okay, I cannot predict the future. All right. Yeah. Okay. So once again, all right. Yeah, and let's see if something good for us today. Okay, for the pound dollar, for the sellers as well. Buyers, please give the sellers some leeway. Okay, because sellers, I think sellers will come in first. Okay, then after that the buyers will then come in. Well, I think so. I guess so. All right. Okay. So right now, okay, still chances that looking out into this pound dollar. Okay, so hang on first. Anyway, I'm waiting for it to test into the resistance. Okay, so Bradley, you have entered the trade for the pound dollar, so I think probably you can hang on for a little while. Okay, so all right, so that I think it should be still good. Okay. All right, how about the gold yesterday? Haha, I think yesterday was pretty good. Okay, I think Nicholas was asking 1973. After it breaks the 1973, it started to continue to move, right? Continue to move 1973. All right, so yeah, but it happens was quite late during this this FOMC. So after that, now it's still moving, breathing above 1973. Now it's running at 1976. Okay, so well, let's hear from Carol if Carol can help us with that. Okay, so we can see that for me, all right, for me, I'm reading this at 1981. Yeah, okay, okay. Hi Sabrina, nice to see you here. Okay, so 1982. All right, about 1982. Okay, so 1982, around 1982, and right here we can see that now it seems like now tested onto this 1982, and coming down to this area of running into this area 1973, coming back to 1973, possible. I would say that there may be a chance over here. All right, 1973. Okay, that is one. All right, so looking into this area here. All right, 1973, huh? Okay, I'm not sure. All right, I'm looking into this area. 1973 will be the first to break through. Then it should be looking out into the opening here. Okay, 1970, around there, I guess. All right. Okay, so tentatively by looking into this whole area here, looks like this is the area that they are looking out for. All right. Okay. Yeah. So can take a look. All right. Then I'm looking into dollar yen today as well. Dollar yen. So dollar yen today looks like dollar yen is looking for a resistance first. Then after that we'll be looking out. Dollar yen should be looking for a resistance up here. Earlier on has been tested once. Then support has been tested as well. All right. Over at this point. Then looks like we are going to take the resistance again before it started to sell down. So we can take a look later on for the dollar yen. Okay, yeah, gold is in the middle. Let's take a look. Gold is in the middle. Potential is 1978 to 1982. On the other side, 1970 to 1969. Okay, all right. So 1969. Okay, over here. Okay, so yep. Okay, so we can look out for all these prices. Okay, 1970 to 1969 over here. Okay, so yeah, it should be around this area here. All right, so looks like yeah, okay, looks like it's still potentially running into our reading. Am I right? Okay, so yep. All right. So pound dollar. Let's see pound dollar with the we haven't tested onto the resistance yet. So let's wait for it to test onto the resistance. Then let's see how it will move. Okay. So likely, by looking into this area here, if Sabrina was asking, okay, so let me answer you. Okay, so if looking into this area of a resistance, yeah, looking into the area of resistance here, okay, M1, okay, the resistance here, okay, so let's wait for it to test into this area of resistance. Then after that, if this able to hold, I guess we should be coming down to test back onto the support area here. All right, okay, so that may be a good chance. Okay, about 13 pips there. All right, so but remember one thing, for pound dollar it will all be on the scalping. Okay, because if you are selling down tentatively, we are going against the trend right now. Okay, so looks like over at this point here, we are still holding it with a resistance up here over at this point here. Right, we are on the, I would say this will be the final, resistance. Okay, if this is going to break above, wow, I think we are coming into this area here. All right, so this will be about 130. Okay, 130 plus. Okay, yeah. All right, okay, thank you, Caro. Let's take a look. Let me see. Caro sent a chart here into our Discord. Okay, so over here. All right, okay, so over at this point here. Okay, for people who are interested to take a look at the chart, okay, you can visit the Discord over here. Okay, you can join in our community. Okay, okay, I saw your brow stripe. Okay, I saw your brow stripe here. Okay, so 1, 2 into M4, then there will be a good chance down to your M1 area. Okay. Okay, so let's see, M1 area 19. Oh, okay, 1970. Okay, about 1970 to 1969 daily open. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that could be one. All right. Yep. Okay, thank you very much. I started to understand more. Right in the middle of the day range. Okay. Yep. Okay, so well, okay, so for that, okay, then come in here. Yep. All right, so now still waiting. Okay. Yep. Hi Moji, you're from Belgium. I see. Okay, well, you can join in our live streaming now if you are there. as if he can hear me. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Forgot to add yellow arrow to the 1970 and 1969. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, so yep. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, so over at this point here. Okay. I'm reading on the pound dollar. So guys, you can take a look and let me know if there are any currency pairs. Okay. All right. Hey, thank you, Popcorn. Thank you very much. Okay. So yep. And let's see. I'm reading on the pound dollar. So other than pound dollar, what else are you okay? All right. Yeah. In 2 minutes, I'm coming. Okay. Good. All right. So, yeah. And let's see. Okay. If let's see if this pound dollar is going to take the support. After taking the support here, all right. I guess no more selling. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so over at this point here, all right, over at this point here, so just take note. Okay, just take note. Okay, all right, hang on, okay, yep. All right, thank you, Carlo. I saw it once again. Okay, oops, I'm sorry. I intercepted. Okay, so okay. Thank you for the yellow arrow. You make it clearer for everybody. That's nice of you. Okay, so yep, and yes, hi Roger. Nice to see you here, Roger. Okay, so looking into this, and let's see. Will this actually because over here it seems like it's set up for the support. It seems like it's set up for the support now. So let's see if the resistance able to hold. Okay. Okay. All right. So yes. What is that? Oh, okay. Yep. All right. So let's wait and see. Oh, what? 明天去不了了，太多东西了。Well, okay, no worries. Okay, I'll be here with you tomorrow. Okay, yeah. All right. So, yep, let's come back and take a look over here. Yes, Bradley, I see you should be going down soon. GU should be going down soon. Let's see if the pound dollar, the resistance able to hold. Okay, if this is able to hold, then I think it should be good. You know, it should be good. Okay, yeah. All right. Yeah. Today I'm having a kahawa. Wow. Today I have a very strong urge for coffee. Very, very strong urge for coffee. I don't know why. Okay. So let's see if let's see. Okay, what else are we looking at now? Yeah, finally. Finally, yeah. Okay. I don't know why. It's like a, you know, it's some kind of addiction there. No, I shouldn't say it's addiction. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know what got into me, and you know, I don't have any coffee, so just now during the lunch I was like, okay, just go and buy. Yeah, when I buy past Starbucks, I was thinking Starbucks, looks like the Starbucks coffee cannot satisfy me. Yeah. Okay, then I was thinking espresso, then maybe a little bit too hurtful for my gastric. I was like thinking, better not. Okay, then let's get something else. Alright, okay, anyway, yeah, pound dollar, let's see. Okay, if this pound dollar, we are looks like, you know, we are actually moving, yeah, we are actually moving, you know, towards the north. Okay, so yesterday got one swing down. After that, it started with the FOMC pushes up and continue to go, right? It breaks through even further up now. So in fact, I'm actually looking out for some support. Okay, that it has come in with a concrete support, so that it can push further up. Okay, so at the moment looks like over here there are some hiccups maybe. All right, to see if they are looking for this resistance is good enough to push it down. Okay, it may not be now, maybe in the London market, right? Yeah, so we need to wait for a little while more. As we can see, it's a bit struggling here and there, right over here. Okay, but generally, please don't focus to sell down all the way. Okay, please do not focus to sell down all the way. All right, it's It's quite a no thing now, huh? Okay, all right. Okay, so let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while. Yeah. Oh my God, so slow start. It's like waiting for Singapore women's football team to score. Hi Mojik, nice to see you here. Good morning. Right, good morning. Yeah, you're from Belgium. I'm from Singapore. Nice to see you here. Yeah. Okay, so yes, welcome into our community. Yeah, we are a bunch of fun traders here. Okay, helping each other out, discussing the trades. All right. Yeah. Hopefully my live streaming helps you. Okay. But we are not. But first thing first, we are not signal provider. Okay, we are here to discuss and trade together. All right, share our points. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Hubert. Yes, Eric is just like a commentator in the soccer field, in the soccer game. Okay, yeah. All right. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm so excited to learn from you guys. Oh, you're so humble. Okay, we are looking forward to learn from you as well. Okay. Right, just share your view. Okay, so if you have anything that you want to take a look and discuss together, feel free to voice out. Okay. Yeah, but on default, I will be on pound dollar. On default, I will be on pound dollar. Okay. Yeah. All right. So and over here, okay, and over here we are looking looking into for Bradley. Bradley is into this. Yeah, Bradley. Okay, he's looking into selling for the pound dollar. So he's looking at selling to, I don't know to where. I think he's doing a scalping, right? Okay. Yeah. So let's see if this resistance able to hold, so that we can see that there's going to have a swing down from this resistance area. Just now there's a swing of 20 pips here. Okay. So let's see. Well, for pound dollar, all right, for pound dollar over here, first thing I'm always looking out for resistance to sell. Okay, so over here, this is the resistance area that we are looking out for. Then let's see if the resistance able to hold to give a good signal for the selling. All right, then some confirmation that I'm going to wait for this candle to close green red to form resistance, and engulfing candle the next one to go selling into this area. So I'm always trade. I always trade in the zone, like you guys know, correct? Okay, so I'm looking out for things like some supports area. This is a support area that I'm looking out for, but now we have another support area over here. It appears to have one support area also. So with this support area, now earlier on we don't have. Like Bradley, you should just now if you have entered the trade, yeah, over here there's one setting up. Okay, but now it firm up, correct? So just now as is I believe you entered here, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so over at this point here, all right, if you entered here, okay, then the selling over here is for now there's a support. So that means to say there's some hindrance here. So it will be good that if this candle is going to close below 129.44.8, okay, 129.44.8, then with this you have another closing below with a lower low and creating lower low, then you will have a chance to meet up with 129.241 and may even go to 129.120. Okay, 129.120. Okay, this is where I'm looking out for. All right, so but for today, what we are looking out for is that we have quite a number of high impact news in my time, GMT plus 8 2015. Okay, 2015 and 2030 we have a Euro main refinancing rate, the MPS, the advanced GDP for the USD, and for US unemployment claims. Blah, unemployment claims. Tongue twister. Okay, so yep, we have all these high impact news. Okay, so just take note. Okay, and also, all right, over at this point here, and right now seems like it's can be quite a bit slow because of they may be anticipating something from the news as well. Okay, so I'm not sure. Okay, yep. All right, so over at this point here, okay, and over at this point here, this is one level that you need to pay attention to. Okay, so from where you entered just now, it actually form up with one support. Okay, then let's see if this is going to break the support to come into the target here, 129.241 or 129.120. Okay, why I place this over here? It's all the support area. Okay, if I'm looking into this H1 area, all right, so you can see, all right, into this area here, all right, these are the support area that I'm placing up for. All right, you can see support area over here. Okay, so I'm also placing some buffer. Okay, all right, so yep, looking into this area here, and let's see if these are. So let's see if the pound dollar able to break this level first. Okay, if this is going to break, right, then there will be a good chance that it should be selling down. If you are selling down, if you are selling in this area, you can see that you are going to meet up with your support. So quite tight, correct? It's very tight. All right, so it can be quite tough. Okay, until it breaks this level, then we will see how it moves. Then after that, we will see whether should we sell down within this area, which we have about 20 pips. Okay, which we have about 20 pips. Okay, all right, yeah, okay. So by looking into this, all right, I see that there's quite potential. Okay, I see that it's quite potential. All right, okay, yeah. So well, that is one. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, once it breaks this, I see quite a potential move down. Okay, a downward move to take this. Okay, yes, right. Okay, right. Caro, thank you for your sharing. I saw it. Okay, I rely on this morning analysis, usually seeing Asia creating price range and entering sell on highest possible price. After confirmation on H1, looking at liquidation zone, if it were taken into combination with VWAP zone, if the combo position is okay, I enter. Okay, yep. Thank you so much, Caro. All right. Okay, so yeah, all right. So let's see. Okay, over at this point here, all right. Let's see. We have 2 minutes to go. Okay, 2 minutes to go. The M30 is going to open. All right. So we were left with about 30 minutes to the London market opening. Very exciting, right? With the London market opening. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 1 minute to go. Right, hopefully to see some sell down, so that for this zone is there's a lot of uncertainty. Okay, for this zone there's a lot of uncertainties, so I'll be waiting, okay, for this zone. Okay, I will, and if there's a chance to enter, I will enter into this zone for a selling. Okay, until it hits near. Okay, if this is able to hold, then it's going for a buying, then buyers can take note. All right. Okay, I see that this is quite a potential area for the buyers. Okay, I see that this is quite a potential area for the buyers. All right. Okay, so seems like still good. Seems like it's still good to be here. Okay, all right. Not now. Definitely not now. Okay, definitely not now. All right. Yeah. Okay, so just take note. Okay, M30 has opened. All right, M30 has opened. Okay, so I was saying that this is the area that I'm looking out for. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if this is going to create another lower low to break. Okay, current situation. Okay, current situation is that I'm looking out for a lower low candle to make sure this M5 is to close lower low. Okay, so that we should see good selling down. Okay, yes, Sabrina, M1, okay, M1, yeah, M1, it hits on the resistance and started to swing down this way. Do you think it can break? Basically, okay, basically, on the M1, yeah, end of the day, you can see M1 is having a, seems like consolidation over here, right? Okay, so let's wait for this to break. Same area. It's going to, I'm still waiting for this to break. Okay, whether it's M1 or M5, it still have to break this area. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, yes, logic. Basically now you are just waiting for the market to hit the resistance line so you could enter the trade as a seller. Yes, on the pound dollar, you are right, correct. We see for over here, I have a resistance over here. Okay, so as you can see from far left, okay, all the way here, you can see the resistance is here. All right, that this is one resistance level. There's one here, up here. So you can see, oh sorry, you can see up here, there's one, and far left from here, okay, over here. So we are already at the resistance, but the support is also very near. So in this case, okay, I would prefer, this is a zone. This will be one zone here. Okay, this will be one zone here. So there's another selling zone over here. Alright, so I'm waiting for this to hit on the resistance, which is like now testing onto the resistance. Alright, resistance is always a zone. So it's never a line like this. Okay, so this is, okay, this is for simplicity. Simple illustration. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to break this 129.44.8. Okay, so we come into this area, which is a bigger area, okay, for selling. All right, so with this area we have about 20 pips. We are 20 pips down. So over here, if it breaks and retest 129.44.8 around this area, or to form a lower highs, okay, in this area, then I will go for the selling. Okay, then I will go for the selling. All right, okay. So always pick the best zone to trade. Okay, I will pick the best zone. Like this zone is too tight. Yes, we have resistance, but the support over here is a minor support here, but it looks like it will still have some turbulence there. Am I right? Okay, so yeah, I will still prefer to wait for it to break this, and then I will trade the area below. Right? Okay. Okay. So hi, Darin. Hey, this hour, aren't you supposed to be at work? Okay, scalping few pips. Okay, right. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. Right, so let's see. Okay, that's good. You see, it's testing into this area now. Alright, I'm back in style from beach. Hi John, nice to see you. I told you 2 weeks no work. Oh really? I thought starting from next week. Yeah, kahawa. I'm having a kahawa now. Okay. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we are talking about pound dollar. Resistance, but this area we support a bit tight. So we are waiting for this to close below this area, and we are going to sell this area. Okay, we are going to sell in this area. Okay, we are going to sell pound dollar into this area. First target will be 129.241, 129.241, and 129.120. Also, Mogic is my friend. Oh, I see. Okay. I see. Okay, he's also making Vantage account soon. Oh, I see. Okay, please do not make any deposit. Okay, please do not make any deposit. Okay, all right. Do not make any deposit. Once you have registered for the account, let me know. All right, I will ask for the 50 USD for you. Okay, all right. Don't deposit first, okay? Just register, all right? Okay, yeah. So Dari inviting you to Kenya. I prepared 2 ostrich egg. 2, my goodness, 2. Are you sure? Is that for lunch and dinner? 2 ostrich egg. Oh my god, it's so filling, you know. Okay, yeah. Alright, so yep, and yep, seems like it closed at on the support. It's still hitting on the support. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so hang on. One for each chest. Okay, so yep, let's hang on for this. All right, let's see if this is able to create a lower low. All right, since it has like I said, this area there's a lot of turbulence. Am I right? Yeah. Yes, Bradley. Yes, damn the support. Damn the support. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's hold on for a little while. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. Then let's see if this is going to break. Okay. Okay. So hang on, and wait for a little while. Okay, hang on and wait for a little while. Yes. Hi Riano, nice to see you. Good morning. Okay. Yes, Bradley, I have faith on your space reading like Gold Digger. Yes. Thank you so much. Alright. Okay, so yep. Okay, so over at this point here, and currently we are still looking into some. Yes, Sabrina. Yeah, I agree with Bradley. Thank you, Sabrina. I believe you also you also in the trade of pound dollar, right? Earlier on, I think so. I guess, yeah. No, not yet. Okay. Alright, so let's wait. Then in that case, let's wait and see if we have a chance to grab this area. Okay, let's see if we got a chance to grab this area. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. I hope yeah. You stream on multi platforms or just YouTube? Multi platforms, yes, multi platforms. Yeah, you can even see it on my Facebook page, my Facebook, several Facebook accounts, all my guys' Facebook account, and my also my this. All right. Yeah. All right. Okay, because you're from different areas. Yeah, and they. Okay. Yes, supermoto. Please don't laugh. Why? Is it too loud for you? Let me know. All right. Okay. Yep. And let's see. Okay. For the pound dollar. Okay. For the pound dollar. All right. Over here. Okay. Let's see. We are still on the support. We are still on the support. No. Okay. Relax. Okay, hang on. Yep. Oh, hi, Supermoto. You're from India. Namaste. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much. All right. Well, we have many friends from India as well. That's why I learned Namaste, Acha from all of you. Okay, yeah. Thank you for coming in. I hope you enjoy your stay here. All right. So yep, and once again, yes. Let's take a look. Yep. All right. So over here, okay. Over at this point here, we are still waiting. 1 minute to go. I think less than 1 minute, right? Okay, 15 seconds. Let's see. 15 seconds. Let's see whether it actually close below the support area to form a lower low. It'll be better. 5, 3, 2, 1. Go. Ah, it closed on the support. So upsetting, am I right? I think Bradley is very upsetting. Okay, no worry. Okay, no worry. Let's see. Let's observe how it goes first. Okay, yeah. Alright, so yes. Moto means fire in Swahili. Really? Moto means fire. Oh, okay, I learned something new. Yeah, wow, so good. With you guys around, I always learn something new. Okay, let's see whether it actually comes in with another round of selling down. Okay, then to break this 129.44.8 so that it can continue the selling down to take the support down here. Okay, over here, sorry, I keep forgetting to click on the screen and you cannot see my arrows. Okay, so over here. Okay, so let's wait for a while and see. M1, okay, Sabrina was talking about M1. Okay, looks like some hovering around over here. Yeah, okay, you can see this area. Okay, and we can see this area. All right, so if you're looking into this like this, okay, then you'll be looking into this like this. What is this telling you? Okay, so yeah, from distribution to accumulation, from accumulation to distribution. Okay, yeah, well, either way, okay, this area, it has to break this area. If you're looking to this right now, we got to break this area down. Okay, then we can see very good selling down there. Okay, yeah, then it's really good. Okay, if this is going to break below, okay, it should be very good to look out for 129.241. Okay, it should be very good to look for 129.241. Okay, yeah. All right, so these are for illustration purpose only. Okay, so I'm going to erase. Okay, so that it's not so confusing. All right. Yep. Okay, so let's take a look. Yep. Good job. You can see. Well, hang on, because the candle is not closed yet, so I can't conclude that. Okay, I cannot conclude that yet, because as you can see, even for the M15, we are still testing on the support. Right, even for M30, we are also testing on the support. Okay, so over here, well, it must close below. It must close below within these half an hours. Okay, before the London markets open, then we can see good chance. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we must. It's a must. It's a must. Okay, it's a must. Yeah. Okay, so H1. In order, that's why just now I was saying that it's a must to close below as a lower low, because H1, so the H1 candle can turn red to close right below, so that it will not form a support. Now it's like forming up a support. It's in the progress of forming up the support. So hopefully it can close lower low. Okay, so that the support will not form up. Right, then we will have a good chance to come down to this support area. Alright, this is the support area I'm looking out for. Okay, yeah. Alright, logical. Right, it's logical, am I right? Because from the resistance, as we can see, alright, over here for the past few hours, when we actually has tested onto the resistance, and actually now it's pressing down, even retesting, it also started to sell down within this area here. So I guess it still should be looking out for the support here. Alright, it's still looking out for some support, which the support should be here. Okay, the support should be here. Alright, yeah, excuse me. Yeah. Alright, so over at this point here, okay, it looks like it will go to 129.241. Yes, you are right, Dari. Okay, so but provided it must break 129.448. Yes. Okay, can go short. Yes, I'm looking to short this area. Okay, I'm waiting to short this area. All right. Okay, so over here, okay, so this is the area I'm looking out for. Right. Yep. Okay, so let's see if we are able to okay, close right below. Okay, with the M5 right now, of course, we are not closing below, so the support has formed up. So looks like they are going to retest back onto the resistance. Okay, let me place the resistance down more accurately. Okay, over here. All right, so we can see from the far left, okay, from here all the way here, these are the resistance area. Okay, so let's see if now in this area, will the next 5 minutes or so, will it create something, a lower resistance, okay, a lower resistance to go down. If the lower resistance is created, that means another, like something like this, green red candle to close as a resistance. That means the resistance is lower than this resistance. Am I right? So it will be good to see that happen, because you can see resistance and lower resistance closing towards a support is always a sign of breaking. Okay, it's always a sign of breaking. Okay, well, why do I say so? It's because okay, over here there's a high here. Okay, seller selling here, and here seller willing to sell even lower price. Okay, so that means sellers are willing to sell lower and lower and lower. That means to say they don't mind to sell lower. Okay, so that means to say there's a sign that the currency is weakening. Okay, at this point of time. Okay, so there will be a chance the support will break. Okay, right, with the increase of the sellers. Okay, so that it will. So now I'm looking out for a lower resistance to show me the market something like this, but it must close like this. Okay, so it will show me a sign from the market that it is selling. The sellers are selling even lower. Okay, yep. All right. Okay, yes, and I tried method yesterday. If I get lower low, I wait for retest and go short, but didn't look much for support and resistance. It worked really good. I don't know if it's luck or not. Okay, more or less it should. Okay, all right. Whether it's luck or not, okay, give it a try on your demo a few more times. Okay, I always tell my guys, like CK, right? CK is here. All right, I always tell CK. I told CK, go for 100 trades using the same one method. Okay, if you're using this lower low and wait for retest and you go short, okay, all right, but you use it for 100 trades. Okay, one method for 100 trades, and you will see. Then you will know how well it works for you. Okay, all right. At the same time, you are training yourself up, to be a very structural and very structural and very disciplined trader to use one method. And you will get to know the method very well, and then it will become your tools. Okay, yeah, all right. Just like me, I train up all these part by part. Okay, for example, I train up myself for support for 100 trades. Sorry, support and resistance for 100 trades. Okay, lower low for 100 trades, higher high for 100 trades. Okay, yeah, rejections candle, all these. Yeah, each style I go for 100 trades. Okay, so a total I make up for more than 2,000 over trades to back test all my knowledge. Okay, I think more than 2,000. Yeah, I think more than 2,000, because I took about 3.5 years, almost 4. Yeah, all right. Yes. Okay, so yeah, be patient. Yeah, I forgot when retest happened. I needed a good rejections candle. All right, so first of all, like this. Okay, we still have 1 minute to go. All right, so hopefully it closed this way. Hopefully it closed lower with a resistance. Okay, 10 seconds to go. Okay, let's say this, Dari. Okay, let's say this. Okay, so close this with low candle, better still. Best. Like this, we have a resistance now. Okay, now we have a resistance, correct? But we are still on the support. It is still closing on the support. Okay, but at least we have a lower resistance now. Okay, we have a lower resistance now. Okay, so from here you can go down this way. You can see it's a lower resistance now. So can you see is the resistance is something like moving this way to here. Okay, from here, okay, to here, down to here and now down to here, correct? Okay, it's pressing from here to here to here to here. So can you see sellers are pressing down over the time, correct? So now with the selling resistance, now is going for lower low, correct? Now with a lower low now. Okay, so now, but this lower low, look at the candle. This candle opening is still above the support. If it's not closing, that means anytime it can still go back into the support area. So until it close lower low, then we are considered into the selling area. You get what I mean? Alright, so that's one point that you need to take note. But the good thing now is that the resistance is from the top, running downwards lower, and running downwards lower, and running downwards lower. Is good. It's a sign of breaking the support. So let's wait for the lower low. Then after that, wait for the candle to retest back into this area as a resistance. Then form up another resistance like this. Then sell. Okay. Then sell. Okay. Yeah, I think that should be quite easy, huh? Alright. Okay, I'm not very professional. Okay, so I use simple style to grab the market. Okay. Okay, so yep, okay. Right, so yep, okay. Okay, yep, and over here. Okay. Alright. Okay, so over at this point. Yeah. So wait, let's wait. Sabrina, let's wait. Okay, we still have about 3 minutes to go. Okay, Sabrina, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Alright. Yeah. So now we wait for a retest. Yes, it's a sign off. Simple style, yes. Your simplicity make a fortune. Keep it simple. Okay, I'm a simple man. Keep it simple. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Right. London. Coming. 7 minutes to go. Okay, we have another 2 minutes. So hopefully 2 minutes the candle should close like this. Lower, low. Close, lower, low. Okay, out of the support. We are still in the support. We have not break any support. Remember guys, we have not break any support. Simply the best. You are simply the best. Caro also, yeah, I think Caro understand that. Yeah. Sabrina can't wait. She wants to go. Yeah. Okay. Sabrina was sharing with me yesterday. She said that she likes to have a boyfriend from Europe. A European boyfriend. Am I right? Hush, keep my secret. Well, okay. So now we have a lower low. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Yes, well, most welcome, JJ. Yes, and I have learned the importance to wait for good rewards. Yeah. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Sometimes you see, let's say if things like this is just boom down all the way, don't get disheartened. It may be only testing. Okay, if let's say it boom down all the way, touches and rejected up and close with a lower wick below. Okay, Okay, let's say, don't be disheartened. Don't think that it's gone. That means to say there's a good chance that we're going to retest again. Okay, if it comes down with a full candle close here, okay, then alright, and open with a full green candle up, then okay, then it's gone. If not, then it should be still good. Okay, alright. Okay. Now unfortunately it's still not closing lower low. Can you see it's still not closing lower low? Alright. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. So dollar CAD today we are over here. Dollar CAD today, as for the trend wise, we are looking into selling as a bear. However, it has some consolidation over here, okay, as you can see in H4. All right, some consolidation here. Then I'm looking out into we are right now on the support over here. Okay, right now we're on the support, but at the same time the resistance, okay, sorry, the resistance is no longer here. Okay, so the resistance should be up here, so we still need to wait for the resistance. Well, 8 pips to go. Okay, another 8 pips to go. So from here, the selling down, now we are moving towards the north to test on the resistance here. All right, then after that to see dollar CAD to take the highs here. Okay, to take the highs up here. All right, okay, so that's one. Okay, that's 1 point there. Okay, so that's for the dollar CAD. All right, John. Okay, UK is not Europe anymore. That's very isolated piece of land in the world. Okay, yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, UK is no longer in Europe anymore. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Okay, I've forgotten about the Brexit. Okay, so 4 minutes to go. Once again, let's see if this is going to break. Okay, if this is going to break below as a lower low. All right, you know I'm Britain. You really? Okay, yep. All right, guys. All right, give me a while. Let me fill up some hot water into my coffee. Okay, I'll be right back before the London market. Okay. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's see over here with this pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, so upsetting. It's not closing downwards, correct? Oh my god. Okay, Bradley. All right, yeah, hot water vocabulary explanation buddies. Alright, okay, so let's see if this with this pound dollar now testing into this not breaking through yet. Okay, so hang on. Yeah, Bradley, you have some boyfriend material for Sabrina, son or stepson? Son or stepson? Okay, yeah. Alright, so let's see. Okay, and London's open. Okay, so let's see. Now we broke this resistance over here. Now we are testing back into this resistance to see if this resistance able to hold. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, with the London market opening to see if there's a good chance for them to go down to take some to take some support. All right. Yeah, it's over here. Sometimes it may go this way, that it's so close. Am I right? So close. Now it goes into the selling area. It's like it's so close to start selling. Am I right? So with this area closing, let's say close, then waiting for the retesting. So right, retest to form a resistance down in this area so that it will be good. Correct. However, with such a movement like this, it did not give us a chance to sell, so we can avoid selling. So there's no chance to enter. That means there's no chance to lose money. Correct. Okay. Yeah, so with such a situation, we know it very clearly that okay, we don't have to enter. Okay, so then we can continue to wait. So when you have a structure, naturally you will wait for the structure. Okay, once you have the structure, you wait for the structure. Then you don't have to rely on your emotions or your sixth sense or your instinct. Okay, don't have to. All right, so that you can write off a lot of FOMO. Okay, right? Yeah. So that's one. I always find that way is always a very good way. Okay, personally for myself. Okay, yeah. All right. So let's see if the pound dollar is going to. Let's see. Looks like now with the market opening, okay, they are going to test onto all the resistance once again. All right, they are going to test on all the resistance once again over here. All right, then to see if that actually they have a good chance to sell down to take the support. Okay, maybe. All right. Anyway, market opens. Every market opening is always a new start. Okay. Then let's see how it goes. Maybe it's going to take out the highs, the Asian highs here before it starts selling down. Correct? Yeah, you never know. All right, so probably here. All right, but of course I hope that it's not taking out there, because once it's taking these highs up, we are into this area, then likely we are going to continue the buying. Okay, so not very ideal. Okay, not so ideal. All right, yeah. Okay, so yep. Hi E, where are you from E? Just an alphabet E. E for Eric. Hi. All right. Okay. Yeah. I didn't understand the lower low structure. Lower low. Just a candle closing lower than the previous swing. Okay. This like this swing here. Okay. Like over here. All right. So over here, that's it closed as a support and it breaks this and go lower. Okay, and it stopped here, and over here it breaks lower. Okay, Eddie from Dubai. Oh, I see. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much. I'm from Singapore. Okay, so over here, and candle close below. All right, but you can see this candle close. Okay, when it close, it has to close below the previous wicks as well. But unfortunately, this does not close. It did not close below the wicks, so it is not called a lower low. Okay, so lower low, it means something like this. Okay, over here, correct, over here, this one. Okay, so it closed here. All right, and this one go lower than this one. It's called lower low. Okay, so with the support, it breaks. It seems like it's breaking, but over at this point here, if you can see the candle opening, is opening from above the support level. Okay, it's opening above the support level. So I won't consider this as a breaking. It has to open below the support level. Then candle has to close below all the previous candles wick. Then it will consider as a lower low. Okay, then it will consider as a lower low. All right. Okay, so then that will give us a signal that sellers are still selling lower price. Okay, they are still letting go at a lower price. Okay, so that's a lower low structure. Okay, you get what I mean? All right. Then things like this, I'm looking out to sell in this area. Okay, so with this area here, we are actually waiting for a lower low. After that, there may be a retest, so it may go back again, okay, into this area of resistance. All right, so to form up a resistance, then it will start to sell down again. Then that's where I will start to sell. Okay, that's where I will start to sell. So just now, if we are running down, do not enter because you are chasing the low. No. Let's wait for another retracement to retest, then we go. Okay, if retest, like example this, the green candle goes back and it stop here and form up another red candle to sell down, another engulfing and a lower low, then we go. Okay, then we go for the trade. Okay, if not, no. Okay, all right. Yes. Okay, perfect. So okay, you are most welcome. Yeah, congrats for the channel and clear analysis. Thank you, Josie. Yeah, where are you from? It depends on where are you from. Thank you so much for coming in. I think it should be Joe's, right? Joe's Greeley. Yeah, it depends on where are you from. From Brazil. I see. Oh, at this hour, Brazil. Okay, you're staying up. My God, thank you so much for staying up here with me. Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. So do I pronounce your name as Joes, right? Or should I should pronounce as Joes. Okay, so over here, all right, looking at this, now it closed above the resistance. Okay, Joseph. Oh, okay, Joseph. All right, Joseph. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So over here, all right, over at this point here, we can see, all right, it broke this resistance here. So if this is going to come back to retest, this may be a support to push further up, and now it breaks this, and we are looking out into further higher resistance. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Hi, chat server. Nice to see you here. I'm the newbie here. How do I know when you enter a trade? Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so yep, just now over here. Let's say we're over here. All right, over here. Okay. Over at this point here, when you go lower low and retest into the resistance. Okay, it retests as a resistance to sell down once again. Okay, with a resistance and engulfing candle to go as a lower low, we will enter a trade. Okay, but unfortunately it did not happen. Okay, it did not happen that way, so we are waiting to sell in the area. So let's see and wait for the resistance to come again. Okay. Yes, Dari. Yes, it went higher high. Correct. Now because over at this point it did not close as a lower low into this area. Correct. So just now I was saying if I want a lower low. Unfortunately, it did not close as a lower low. Correct. Okay. So well, we got to wait. In that case, okay. Then in that case, we have to wait. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Where are you from, chat server? Thank you so much for coming in. Well, guys, I'm from Singapore. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let me have a sip. Okay, so let's see if oh, you're from Austria. Wow. Okay, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoy your stay here. Okay, what kawa are you drinking? So I can wait for retest and like go long. Yep, you can, but take a look. You see, this is the resistance, am I right? The previous resistance, it broke this resistance, so you can wait for the retest over into this side to build up a buy. Now to build up a buy, you have to go for higher high, correct? Higher high candle. So higher high, then after that you can go for the buy. However, this level, okay, let me use one more. Okay, you have a resistance here. Okay, so from here, if you're going for a buy, let's take a look at the space you have, 11 pips, and it depends on where did you enter. If you enter maybe here, you are left with 8 pips. You get what I mean? All right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm still back with building up, buy or sell. Like I can't read it at good to see build up. Oh, slowly, no worries. Okay, let me explain as the chart, as the candle moves along the way. Okay, My goal is 5 pips. Okay, if you're having if I'm going to go, your goal is 5 pips, then always look out for a space that slightly more than 10. Okay, because inclusive of the spread. Okay, so look out for something more than 10. Okay, so it will give more buffer. All right. Okay, so let's say now it's coming back here to retest this as a support. Am I right? Okay, so now if this is going to stop here, right, and there's green candle going up, am I right? But look at this, if green candle going up, for example, then the resistance is here. You don't have enough space, correct? You only have 5 pips exclusive of spread. That means it's not a good entry. Okay, you can say, well, Eric, it may break the resistance to go higher high. Yes, like you say, it may, correct? It may. Well, anything that is in may, with the word may, then forget about it. Okay, yeah. Let's say this is a space of 20 pips, right? Okay, so I only want 10 pips. All right, so anything, let's say I entered here with a lower low, let's say here, okay, I have about 13 pips, so it's still good for about 8 to 10. Yeah, I think it's still good, right? I think that should be still achievable. So that is still good. Now, even if I want to get a 5 from this area here, then it's still good. You know, you get what I mean? Yeah, but for this, from this situation, it's already very tight. It's already very tight. So not really a good one. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay. So we don't just associate with may or maybe. Yes. You're right. Okay, it must give you a good space down there. All right. So sometimes, like example here, okay, from here to here, you may have a 14 pips, 13 pips. Okay. Then like Bradley is very good. He's a very good scalper. Okay. So he can grab can grab some 5 pips within this area here. Okay, so over at this point here, all right, for me, maybe I won't be grabbing the 5. Okay, I may be waiting for this area to grab the 5 or 10. Okay, yeah. So sometimes with this area, with this kind of scenario, I will just give up. Okay, I'll give up this area, but I'm waiting for this area. Like earlier on, okay, it went to retest this area. Now it's coming back here. So I'm waiting for it to break below. Then I start trading the one below. Okay, yeah. Okay, but build up, like if it's a good position but rejection can wicks, how does it looks like that I should wait for go into a trade? Okay, build out like it's a good position but rejection candle. If you are looking for buy in terms of this rejections candle is only telling you the support is here. Okay, it's just telling you the support is here. That's all. Okay, the rest is still based on the current price. The current price, now we are still within this resistance. Now we are reaching the resistance. It's no good, means no good. Okay, no good means no good. We don't have enough space. No good means no good. Okay, so by looking into rejections, sorry, I don't know if I understand your question correctly. Okay, but I will just go for some explanation. If it's not correct, let me know. All right. Okay, so if we are actually coming in, let's say tested onto this resistance now. Okay, now we are testing to this resistance, right? Okay, so let me exchange. Okay, so that is a clearer. Okay, with this, so we can tell that the support is here, very clear. Okay, because of the rejections, 1 rejection, 2 rejections here, very clear. There is a support. Price has actually comes in here before and it got rejected by the buyers, correct? Okay, so now with the resistance, if there is a rejection style, it's only showing there's a rejections up there. So same thing, after the rejections come down, we still need to form a resistance, green red candle, a resistance. Then from there, then we will start to sell. Okay, from there, with the resistance comes in, it closed as a green and red candle. Okay, all right, let's say it closed this way. Let's say it closed this way, huh? Let's say. Okay, let's say it close this way, then the next candle to go lower low, okay, then it will be a good chance to go down. Okay, it will be a good chance to go down. Okay, this is only basing on M5. Okay, this is only basing on M5. All right. Okay, basing on M5 reading. Yeah. Okay, but of course with other time frames, we also need to take a look at other time frames as well. Okay. So other time frames that show you in the general trend, current hour, okay, all this is telling you whether, okay, this is still going, are we still going selling or are we still going for buying? Okay, so currently as you can see, we are now on the buying side, correct? We are still in the buying side for the past the 1 hour opening from the London market opening. Yeah, okay, so we are still on the buy side. So we need to come back down here. Okay, we need to come back down here after the resistance. It need to come back down here in order to go for the selling, correct? Okay, so you just need to close below and not like need to be engulfing candle. Engulfing candle. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So at this point here, let's see with the resistance. Okay, let's see if this close as a resistance to show you a good example, a live example here. All right. Okay, seems like over at this point here, they are building up with this type. Okay, some places they may call this a triple bottom. I don't know why. Okay, can you give an example of good engulfing candles or wicks? Like here, over here. Okay, over here like this is good. Okay, like here, this is good. Okay, so I'm waiting for things like this. I'm waiting for things like this to come in here now. Yep. Okay, so that is one. Okay, so you're looking into that. That is one of the example here. Okay, you close as a 3 nights. I don't bother about the name. I know what you mean. Okay, so but you must know the logic. Okay, the logic is resistance form and sellers selling beyond. Okay, sellers selling beyond the previous price. It shows the enthusiasm for the selling. Okay, so that you can take the selling. Okay, then you go with the crowd. Okay, you go with the market. All right. Yep. Okay, so over at this point here, let's see if this work. Yeah, Carro. Yeah, let's take a look. See how London taking the 1978 liquidity on the gold side. Okay. All right. Oh, it went down near to 1973, and after that it started to go. Okay, and then we can wait for good selling. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's quite true. All right. Okay, so 1982, 1978, 6 to 1972. This whole range. Okay, this whole range. Yeah, let's wait. Okay. Since we already know the plan, guys, so be patient and wait for the price to come in. Okay, to strike. Okay, for the profit. Okay, that's for the goal just now earlier on. Thank you, Carlo. Okay, so we have you can join our our Discord, right? Okay, our Discord. Okay, there's plenty of sharing down there. So good. Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much for people who share there, especially Carlo. Okay, and let's see. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Can you see this? Hey, hello. Where's my? Okay, now can you see this? Green candle, red candle, close. Now we have a resistance. Okay, that is a good example now. So it seems like something like this. Okay, this is something that what we want. But the next thing is about this candle. Now this candle, this candle is important. Okay, now this candle is important. This candle have to go lower low, correct? Okay, have to go lower low. Okay, then it will be good. So let's say it should be coming down here. Okay, around here. Okay, then you see if this is going to be things like that, you know, and over at this point here, you have to take a look at the space down here because the support is here, correct? Okay, the support is there. All right, yeah. Okay, hey, I just got my Vantage account verified. Should I make live account? No. Hang on first. Okay, Moji, I help you after my live streaming. Okay, yeah. You can leave a message to Jamie, which is my back end. Okay, all right. I think yeah, she should be around in another 1.5 hours. Yeah, okay. Yeah, do not make any deposit. Okay, don't deposit. Let me ask for the 50 USD first. Okay, $50 USD for you. So then you can start trading the 50 USD first. Okay, and try to make some profit out of it. Okay. All right, so let's see. Okay, now can you see we are not into any lower low yet, so that means to say no entry, no entry, no entry. Okay, okay, no deposit. Yes, no deposit. Okay, no deposit. All right. Okay, so yeah, and over at this side here, I'm waiting for this candle to close below as a lower low. Okay, so to see if there's a good chance for it to swing down. And but okay, right, Sawadee Krab 168, Sawadee Krab. Right, so over at this point here, by looking into this, even there's a lower low, should I sell now? I won't sell now because there's a support here. Alright, I'll be waiting for it to break this, and then this may be the area. 13 pips, yes, I will work on the 5 pips here. Then if it continue to break lower, yes, it backs into my area, yes, then I will. Okay, then I will. Alright, then I will. Okay. Yeah, why should we not wait for 1986 and be prepared to sell at 1982? Because it's the most recent high. Alright, hi Manwai, nice to see you here. Okay, let's yeah, Eddie, right? Eddie was asking this question for why should we not wait for 1986? Well, over here, okay, over here, this area here, yes, this is the highest resistance they're looking out for. But tentatively, if we are looking out into this area for as a resistance, there may be a chance for selling down to look out for support before it go further up. Okay, yeah, I mean you can also wait for it to reach 1982 to 1986 to sell. Okay, but there are a lot of scalpers here. We are trying to grab some profits while it's looking for support. Okay, yeah. Pound Aussie, GA, Pound Aussie. Alright, let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie over here. Okay, Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, we have to be a bit careful because as you can see over at this area here, okay, it looks like it's going to be an inverse head and shoulder, huh? Okay, inverse head and shoulder. Can you see? Inverse head and shoulder. It may comes in here, this area, 18 pips of space. Yeah, you may have 18 pips of space to scalp. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So still quite good. This is this area just need to be a little bit careful. Okay, over here. But generally, I see that 1, 2. 190.269, 190.269. Okay, 190.269. If this is selling, but looks like this area, the selling is still okay, still can, but just need to be careful with this area here. There's one area of 190,372. 190,372. Just need to be a little bit careful with this. Okay, all right. So this area to this area have about 13 pips. I think it's still quite good. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep. Yes. Okay. All right. So would you recommend indicator that shows candle pattern? It shows like doji, hell hammer, or all of this? Yeah, you can know a little. You can know some of it. Okay, it may help. All right, for knowledge base. Okay, knowledge base. More or less, it helps a little bit here and there. But you must know. You don't recognize the candle as doji. You don't recognize the candle as hammer. You must recognize the fundamental of doji, the logic of hammer, the logic of shooting star. Why is it called shooting star? Why is it called doji? All right, that is more important. Doji, hammer, shooting star, graveyard, all these are just spinning top or whatever. Yeah, spinning top. Okay. Okay, it may be it's just a name, but you need to understand the logic behind it. That is more important. Okay, that's more important. All right. Okay, so or is it better to learn it without indicators? It depends. Indicators and system. Okay, indicators, they are static. Okay, they are static. So it moves a little bit. It depends on how you use it anyway. Okay, it depends on how you use it. So some indicators, people are using it as a guide, so I think it's not that bad. Okay, but ultimately they are still making use of the fundamental. Okay, the logic, I think it's still good. All right. Okay, selling sniper. Okay, pound dollar, pound dollar. Okay, but look out for this area. Okay, these two rejections candle already show you with support here. Okay, just take note of this. All right, always sell at the resistance, get out before it hits on the support. Okay, all right. Yeah, don't worry, I don't know the logic behind them. Yeah, I know only twinkle twinkle little star. Yeah. Shy. Yeah. Okay, so you guys have to know the logic. Okay, we don't try to trade with the logic, so you will know. Okay, yeah, some I see a lot of okay, let's not talk about them in my live streaming. Okay, we'll talk behind our Discord. Okay. I guess some of you may already know something. Okay, yeah. Okay, once you go into the live streaming, no, not live streaming, I'm sorry. Some groups, some traders, as you can see, this and that, this and that, this and that. Once you see them, the way they trade, you already know that how should I say? They don't really understand the fundamental. They only know, okay, support is support, resistance is resistance, and the resistance after that it comes in here and there, here and there. So sometimes you may see that people will be telling you, okay, there's one here, okay, and then subsequently you can, okay, there's another, you have to take note, okay, here, okay, and another one here. Okay, then another one here, and another one here, and then finally, okay, there. So you have all the supports here. So guys, how to trade with all this? With a lot of supports here, how do we trade? Okay, with all these supports that you're plotting out, how to trade? Don't trade. You get what I mean? Am I right? No. That is not the right way. Okay, this is not the right way. Okay, so this is too crazy. Okay, so no, we don't do this. Okay, this is too crazy. All right, we just need to know the key levels. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, I have problem where when I go into a trade, the spread is so large. I don't know if the server or the advantage, maybe I should change account, or is the MT4. Well, analysis paralysis. Yes, correct. Okay. It does not matter the spread. It does not matter the spread. That is why I say, okay, you have to look out for the space which is big, which is good enough for you to take your TP, including the spread. Okay. It's a lot of people, a lot of us actually looking out for low spread. Correct. 0.2. Wow, so easy. Correct. 0.2. But you are going to pay a commission. So it doesn't make sense, because with the commission you calculate back is exactly the spread. You get what I mean? So it doesn't make any difference. You get what I mean? Yeah. So end of the day, is the trade is the most important part. Okay. Yeah. If I go into a trade like 12980, it puts me into a trade of 19650. No, it cannot be. It's going to be 30 pips. It's about 30 pips. Wow. No. It's about 30 pips of difference. The spread cannot be 30 pips. If you are talking about you enter a trade 12980 and the price should be 129 maybe. Yeah. Okay. No. Hi, Sun Sun. 下午好，你好，你好。That's what I mean. Okay. But okay. Yeah. It's okay. Okay, you wrote it wrongly. Okay. No, I think you have to. Sometimes 3 pips is okay. 3 to 4 pips I think is quite normal, depending on the timing. Like now in London market, it should be okay. All right. Isn't that the same? 129.80. No, I don't really quite get you. Wrong again. Okay, for pound dollar, as we can see, you see it retests into this area once again as a support area. So no, it's actually it actually went back here. Okay. Wow, now I know. Okay, now I know. Did you enter a trade during the FOMC? During the FOMC or during the FOMC conference? That may happen. That may happen. Okay. Yeah, 30 pips, you know. Yeah, it's 30 pips, right? Is it 30 pips? Let me see. 1, 2, 9, 8. That is about 10 over pips. 20 pips. FOMC or FOMC conference. If you enter during the high impact news, you will never get something, you know. Okay. Yeah, let me see. Oh, that's 15 pips, you know. 80 to 65, yeah, 15 pips. Yes, correct. Thank you, Sam Kali. Thank you, Sam. Hi, Sam. Yeah, thank you for coming into the Discord. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what time did you enter. You have to find out if the time entering into during the high impact news. Likely you will experience inaccuracy of the price. Okay. Yeah. What do you think of trading in the BTC or ETH? Okay. Well, for Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin wise, you're trading I don't go for short term. You don't go for short term. You have to look out for long term. Okay, you have to look out for long term. All right, and I don't encourage to trade short term like a day trade for the cryptocurrency. Personally, okay, yeah, personally. Yes, I do invest a little bit in the not pound dollar, in the Bitcoin. Okay, but I don't really go for short term. Okay, I don't really go for short term. We go long term. We go long term. Okay, yeah. All right, we go long term. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So over here, all right, and yes, I sell experience for 20 counts. So, so should I buy? I have to find 20 counts. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Looks like a pound dollar. We are now having a hard time over at the resistance here, huh? Okay. So let's wait and see if this is going to break out and to take the highs up here. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. As we can see over at this point here, this is a very good learning point here, huh? Okay, this area here. So this area here, all right, this area here, it shows the support is here. So, well, not very ideal. Okay, not very ideal. Yeah. Okay. Steph Chia. Hi, Steph Chia. Are you in my YouTube now? Right. I don't know if you are in my YouTube now. Okay. Let's see. Are you in my YouTube channel? If you are here, say a hi. All right. Where are you from? I don't know if you can hear me anyway. He appeared in my Discord. Okay, so just to say hi. Okay, my fellow scalper, be ready. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if this is coming in to form a resistance. Okay, if this is going to form a resistance here. All right, then there may be a good chance to sell down. Now we have a bigger space, 15 pips, right? 15. Now we have a 15 pips now. Okay, so yes, you can scalp. Yeah, you can scalp that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Just now we are looking out for selling, am I right? Okay. We are looking out for selling into this area here. Okay, but unfortunately, it came so close. It came so close to break, to form a lower low to go on the selling. But over here, unfortunately, it closed. It closed. It still didn't close as a lower low. Ah, so sad, right? Okay, and then it set up the support, then it started to swing up. So swing up to look out for the resistance up there. So just now we are explaining this, okay, so that we know the rationale of a lower low to sell. Okay, then over here, then after that it retests this as a support. Okay, and it continue to go. Now we are waiting to see if that will actually hold as a resistance to take out the highs. Then after that starting to sell down to take the lows down here. Okay, yeah, hopefully. All right. Okay, so that's one. Okay. Yes, Mojic, I go smoke, be right back. All right. Okay, all right, see you. Yeah, okay. Okay, 129.8. I think he's writing 129.800 to 129.650. Okay, so that should be about 15 pips. So 15 pips of spread that may happens when you enter a trade during any high impact news. Okay, that can be. Or when you enter a trade during the market opening. Okay, that means the in the what a new market opening, a new day market opening. That means my time at 6 a.m. All right, 5 a.m. 6 a.m. Okay, so the spread can expand due to the low liquidity. Okay, it may happen. So make sure you trade. Make sure you trade. Okay, make sure you trade in an active market. Okay, you trade in the active market, usually that will not happen. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, pound dollar, let's take a look later on. Okay, Aussie franc, let's take a look. Aussie franc. Yeah. Okay. Wow, Aussie franc. Yeah, Aussie franc, we are still in the bear. Okay, looking out for some selling still. Okay, still looking out for some selling, and from there, okay, and from there we are now, okay, from there over here, yes, okay, pound dollar taking out the highs. Okay, all right, selling off. Yeah, we are forming a resistance down here. Okay, so support has no change. Okay, so if you are selling, yes, this selling is quite good. Okay, this selling, but the selling has started off from here. Okay, at 0.58462, we are looking for price at around, we have about 6 pips to go. 0.58302 down to no, it should be here. Yeah, it should be here. Okay, so let's see. Over here. Okay, Aussie franc, if you are selling, you have to look out for 0.58300. Okay, 0.58300. Okay, so that is one. Okay, that's one. Okay, so if you are selling, okay, if you are selling, so because the Aussie franc, it has started to sell down, and now it's having a consolidation into this area here. The selling is still looking out for some support. Looking at this, they meet up with a resistance, and they are still looking out for support. They are still looking out for support. Okay, over here into this area here. All right. So there can still be a chance that selling can be, but the Aussie franc can be only looking out into this. You have to look out for 0.58300. That is one. Okay, I think a similar setup is building up on the Aussie franc, like going for like a pound dollar. You are saying, correct? All right. So after this, looking at do this now. Okay, so likely, all right, GATP. Okay, Manwai, congratulations, well done, good job. Okay, yeah, and over at this point here, okay, we are now looking into this area first. Okay, if this is going to set up the support, if this, yeah, if this able to hold, all right, this has created lower low. Okay, this has created a lower low over here from this swing. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, and now they are testing into this area as a resistance. So if there is a resistance to sell down, like just now we explained, you have about 10 pips to about 10 to, wow, if these 10 pips can put through, okay, if you can put through this 10 pips, you can go for another 20, a total of 20 pips. You know, a total of 20 pips there. Okay, that's a possibility. Okay, like this, if this is going to close as a resistance and the next lower low, okay, and you put in the trade down, you have about total about 14 pips. Okay, yeah, that's one. Okay, yeah. All right, lower low, yes. Okay, yeah. All right, yes, like pound dollar, you're right. Okay, yes, correct, Eddie, you're right. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, yeah. So just now, first of all, as you can see, I try to identify. Okay, the area of support. How much space do I have? How many pips can I take? Then after that, start to analyze out. Okay, what are all these? Okay, how many pips to go? All right. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, so yep. And yeah, sorry, just now they were saying what pound Aussie, yeah, pound Aussie. Okay, good job, pound Aussie. Yes, take a profit before it hits into the area of support here. Correct. Okay, that's good. Man Y, nice job, nice job. Okay, good. Well, pound dollar taken out the highs up there here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, if this resistance is going to bring it down below. Okay, to bring it down, it's taken out the highs. Okay, what's next? Once the highs has been taken out, so what can be the next? All right, either it's going to continue to go further up to take this resistance, another buying signal from 129.76 to go further up, or it will close below 129.76 to form another lower highs. Then it should be coming down to one level here. You see the level created along the way to show us where's the support. Am I right? So you can make use of all this level to gauge your space. Now you have 129.58 as a support. So now the next one is 129.448 is another support. Okay, so this will be a very clear one, and this also a very clear one. As you can see, it has been tested for a few rounds. Correct? Okay. All right. Yeah. Right, for the gold, yes, boom. 1982. All right, well done. Okay, let's take a look. Oh yes, good. 1982. All right, so let's see what's next. Let's see what's next. Okay, gold TP 15 pips. Well done. Okay, good job. Congratulations. All right. Okay, good job, good job. All right, so let's see. Yes, I saw a message, right? Okay. Yeah. Hi, Nana, right? Where are you from, Nana? If that candles flip, we can take entry, or we wait for 30 minutes to close bullish for buy on dollar. We got clean range for like 55 pips for buy. Yes, if it's for buy, yes, we have a clean range up there, really. Yes. Okay, so over at this area here, let's say over at this point here, if this is going to close above, set up a buy. Okay, above 129.76, yes, it's going to be a buy. Okay, yes, you are right. Okay, if that candle flip, we can take entry, or we wait. I will wait for a red green candle to form up something like this. Okay, then I will go for the buy. Okay, then I will go for the buy. All right. Okay. Yep. So yes, so we can wait for a nice sell for the gold. Okay, yeah, for the gold we can wait for a nice sell. All right. Right, for the pound dollar, okay, so tentatively there isn't any signal yet. Okay, so hang on. All right. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's wait for a little while and see how it goes. Yep. All right, Eddie, hi, yeah, thank you for joining in. All right, welcome in, welcome in. Okay, so for the pound dollar, we can wait for a little while. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I just did a test trade. It puts me 4.9 spread. I don't like this. 4.9. Dari, which currency pairs you are trading? Okay, so right now, okay, over here. Yep, I want 2 pips. Okay, so let's see. For pound dollar, okay, for pound dollar looks like everything is let's see if the H1 going to close below this 129.76. Okay, all right. Yep. It puts me 4.9 spread. 4.9. I'm also on here. I don't think it's 4.9. Let's take a look. 4.9. No. Roughly should be about 2. It has to do with the server of MT4 they put me in. No, I don't think so. Yeah. Okay. Can you open up this and take a look? Okay. All right. Okay, so open up the market watch and take a look. All right. All right. So yep, live 3. I think that doesn't matter. Live which server. There's nothing to do with it. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. You can use a phone. Okay, just go to the main page where you can see all the price. Okay. Yep. All right. So over here. Hi Zahari, nice to see you here. Where are you from? What is your trading strategy? Okay. Of which time frame do you take trades? Usually I take a trade on the M5. M5. Yeah. I take a trade on M5. Okay. So yes. Yep. And at the moment right now, okay. So let's see. Okay. Oh, you're from Bulgaria. Wow. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm from Singapore. Okay, let's take a look at this. Now pound dollar we retest into 129.76. Can you see the rejections there? Alright, so seems like the rejections over here is actually telling us buying is highly possible, right? Okay, buying is highly possible. Okay, so take a look. Okay, buying is highly possible now. You see over here, it retest this as a support. Can you see? Retest this as a support. All right. Aussie franc come. Okay, let's take a look. Aussie franc. Okay, what's your time? I'm GMT +8. Currently I'm at 15:53. 15 hours 53. Okay. Aussie franc. Yes, Aussie franc coming as well. Yeah, good. All right. So make sure it now is retested as a resistance. So make sure it has an engulfing candle to go lower low, then you have a good chance to sell. Okay, all right. Okay, spread is 26. Yeah. Okay, that means it's 2.6 pips. All right, that means it's 2.6 pips. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, and pound dollar. Yeah. So pound dollar over here. The retesting over and into this area here. So now we are looking into buying. Looking into buying. Likely, you see, if H1 is going to close above this area, are we into our profitable area? Okay, for guys who are just joined in, okay, I always have a box to show the profitable area. Okay, so this is the area. Okay, this is the area that I'm looking out to. If the price close inside this area, Okay, we are likely the price is going to take down the whole area over in this box. Okay, yeah. Did I miss any messages? Let me see. Okay, yes, Zahari. Okay, so what is your trading strategy? I'm a very simple strategy. I'm just reading out the space. Okay, yeah, I'm reading out the space. I'm taking out the. I'm only reading out the space and just to use some support resistance. Okay, and price action. Okay, yeah. GJ, let's take a look at GJ. All right, GJ. Okay, GJ. Let's take a look. Oh, GJ, nice. GJ is nice. Okay, but GJ you have to wait for the next hour. Okay, wait for the next hour to come. GJ, but GJ you have to take note because GJ generally they hit on the support. They are going for a buy to test on the resistance. They are testing onto the resistance. Okay, now you are on the resistance. Okay, so let's see if this resistance able to hold over here. Okay, if this able to hold to sell down, they are looking for some support, which the support is here. Okay, but you are going against the trend, so you can only do some scalping. Okay, so you can only do some scalping. You cannot go anymore. Okay, all right, go ahead. Do some scalping is good. It's still okay to go for some scalping. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yes. Right. So over at this point here, pound dollar, still looking out for the buy. Is there any retesting? Looks like the retesting with the wicks below. You can see earlier on like this, tested, go for a buy. Now over here, when come down here, rejection. Okay, rejections from the support. Okay, it's going to continue to go for the buy. Okay, so still good. Okay, to go for the buy. We have 3 minutes to go. Let's see if these 3 minutes to see if there is any retesting or it will still shoot higher because H1 has started to close above and doesn't seems like we are closing up with some resistance over at this point here. Okay, into this area here. So we can see this this area here. Okay, we may have from here to now about 24 pips. 24 pips. Okay. All right. Okay, 24 pips. Hi, Dean Digital Platform. Hi, you're from Mauritius. Oh, nice place. Thank you for coming in. Okay, so let's see how does this pound dollar is going to close. Okay, yeah. All right, we got 1 hour left for 4 hours candle to close, so I'm hoping this last 1 hour push up for a pound dollar. Yes, exactly. You are right. Okay, yeah. So slowly, let's see. We go bit by bit. Okay. Okay. Pound dollar is already looking out for buying. Okay. Usually, guys, I will. If you look out on my pin message, I will send out some currency pairs to share with you my analysis. What are the currency pairs I'm looking for selling? So today I didn't put in the pound dollar because we are looking out for buying. Earlier on we are looking out for the selling is because looking out for the pound dollar to take support to go for some selling. Okay, so this okay, they set out the support over here to go and take out the highs up there. So currently there isn't any chance for the sellers. So buyers now you should be taking out for the buying. So let's see, now we are testing and get rejections here as a support. This shows this price action actually shows us that buyers, the support on the buyer side is still quite strong. Okay. For gold, is it same way to trade or is it different? Similar. Okay, similar. Okay, but you have to understand the fundamental. That is more important. Okay, that's more important. All right. So yeah, wow, gold TP 10 pips, congratulations, well done. How much does this 5 minutes bearish close impact our buys? Basically, okay, I'm waiting for the H1 to close. I'm waiting for H1 to close above the resistance, okay. So it's closing above the resistance, so now it may comes back to test this as a support. Then after that, it may set up the buy in a M5 here. All right, it may come down like now. It may comes down to set up the buy. Then after that, to continue the buying. Okay, so set up the support to go for the buying. All right, unless it breaks below. Unless it breaks below to form a lower highs to go lower, okay, then it shows that it's coming down to take the lows. Then we'll take a different action. Okay, yeah, all right, so hang on first. All right, so let's see. As for the gold wise, let's take a look. Well, good over here. This shows resistance is on the 1982. Very nice. It sits nicely there. Rejected, going to start selling soon. Okay, looks like one. All right, very good. Okay, wow, what a classic example here. Okay, yeah. So now what's next for the pound dollar? If the pound dollar is going to continue the buying, yeah, maybe, am I right? Okay. Let's see how this candle close. If this candle going to close this way, you see rejections, which it shows that the support is here. The support is here. Okay, so most likely it should still continue to go by. Okay, go higher. Okay, but this area, it can be quite tough for it to go. It may go very slow. Okay, yes, Zahari, you are right. Yes, I am. Okay, all right. There are many funded over here. join us. Okay, if we break, yes, if we break high of this M5 enter, well, over here, over at this point here, yes, over here to go for a buy. Usually this I will not go for a buy. Okay, I will wait for a retest down to form a red green candle like this. Then I will go for the buy, because over here we are already chasing the high. Okay, if we are going to enter here, we are going to chase the high. Either you miss that trade, okay, or you will wait for another round. Okay, don't, like I always say, don't chase the low, because I'm a seller. Okay, I basically I'm a seller, so I only sell. So if it's going low like this with this candle, I will not enter a trade. I don't want to chase a low. So similarly, if this is already in the bullish green candle like this, it's already running. If you want to chase the high, there's a lot of risk to take. Okay, yeah, okay, don't we wait for retest? Yes, retest. Yeah, let's wait for a retest. Okay, come down and wait for the red green candle. Okay, something like this. Okay, then go again. Then we enter for the trade. Okay, retest first. Retest into any support. Okay, retest into any support. Right. Okay, so that is more important. Okay, that is very important. Okay, we don't chase the high. We must always remember we enter on the key levels. Okay, yeah. How much percent do you risk per trade? That's a very common question. Well, how many percent? How much? Usually for myself, I am a seller. So let's say this is a resistance that I'm going to take to sell. All right. So I'm a 5 pips trader. Okay, 5 pips. Okay. So if I'm going to take 5 pips or 10, all right. If the trade go against me, like say let's say I enter a trade here, and the resistance should be here. Then it goes above me and it breaks out of the resistance, I may be losing 7 pips. Okay, so it depends. It's sometimes anything less than 1%, I think it should be good. Okay, anything less than 1% it should be good. Now usually for me 0.8%. Okay, right, it will be good. All right, yeah. Okay, yeah, all-time high. What if it retests into a not support? It will set up a support. It will set up a support. If there is no support, it will set up a support. Okay, it will set up a support. Yeah, like earlier on from here, there's no support. Okay, there's no support. It set up a support, then it become a support, then it tested the support, then it goes up. Okay, there's no support here, so it comes down to form the support, testing the support, become the support. Okay, then it goes up. All right, they're bound to have something there. Okay. Yep. Okay, so right now, seems like it's coming in now. Highly likely it's going to test into this area. Okay, highly likely it's going to test into this area. All right, this area to form a support. Okay, to form a support. All right, dollar yen sell when we break low this 5-minute resistance. Let's take a look. Dollar yen. Dollar yen is still looking for selling because still looking for support. Okay, yeah. Dollar yen, this area of support, there's a support area here. Okay, yeah, looking for selling this one. I will prefer to wait. If this is going to break below, all right, then to form another lower resistance, I will take this. You have about 40 pips there. So now this is not a very good area to enter a trade because there's a support here. Okay, just in case it stopped here, just like the pound dollar, you know, just like pound dollar over here, you know, it's something like here, you know. Okay, so yeah, Dari, this is a good example. Like you said, if there is no support, okay, now the support is, now they are setting out support, so now they are going to test the support. They are going to test this support, and this may become a support to go further up. Okay, all right, yeah. If this is going to close above the support, above or on the support. Okay, yeah. All right, yeah, trading with you made me more clear with retest on how to look at market. I got into a different group. They trade with more tools, but it's kind of going in blind. Oh, okay. Anyway, they individually have a way to explain their style. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. At 27, 5.55, isn't that also a support? 27, are you talking about pound dollar? I'm sorry, what 27? Are you talking about the time 555 over here? Over here, okay. 27, 555, okay, here, right. Yes, this is one support. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is one support. Yeah. This is a support. All right. But now, as you can see, must understand with the over at this point here, there are some rejections candle. It shows rejections candle always show you something. They always tell you something. Okay. They always tell you something. Like example, they are telling you, okay, the support level can be here into this range, okay, to form a higher support to go higher high, correct? Right, so for example, like this is a resistance, okay, right? Then you can see when this is moving up, they come back here to test, correct? There's some rejections, correct? So there's a support here. So now this is a higher support. So it went up, become higher high, then you see some rejections candle here, for example here, okay, for example here. So that means to say, okay, there may be some support here into this area. There's a lot of rejections candle, so this may be the area of support. So it may come down into this area to set up another higher support, which is what commonly named as higher low, correct? A higher low, higher low, higher low, then it will push for a higher high. Okay, you get what I mean? All right. Okay. I thought if not support, then don't go in. Oh, you have to understand the support. This is support level. You are right. Okay. Okay. So this is a whole lot of support area. You can see the support, and this has tested, and it went up. So there's another tested, it can go up again. Okay. All these are the areas that we need to know. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I'm waiting for it. So I go in trade. Need to make my losses. Okay, so hang on. All right. Okay. Yeah, don't chase the trade for making up for losses. Exactly, you're right. Okay. So how would you make entry on powder if next M5 close above or blah blah blah? This one now, if this, okay, so if this is going to close as a support, all right, then you can see that the support area is here, correct? Okay, so take note, okay, if this is going to close above the next engulfing candle to go, all right, yes, the entry for the buy is there. Okay, the entry for the buy is there. All right, 1 to 2 trade a day is best. Yes, watching and waiting. Yes, that's right. Okay, so we have to understand by the movement. Okay, understand the movement. It will greatly help you. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yes. Okay. Yes, it's my second trade also. I'm doing very small. Yeah, so it's a big deal. 0.01. Okay. Okay, so take it easy. Take it easy. Okay, it looks like it's forming a support. Yes, you are right. Okay, but it must close first. It has to close. So make sure it is a support. Okay, to make sure that this whole area is a support for this candle forming. Okay. Yeah. $19.76 for the gold is a target. $19.76. All right. Okay, 1976 over here. Take note, guys. Okay, for the gold. Okay, 1976. Why not looking into 1975.31? 1975.31. Oh, 1975 possibly too. Yep. Okay. I think. Yeah. For me, I'm looking. If in this case. Okay. Yeah. Possible for this 1975.31 move up was the liquidity grab. Yeah. Yesterday someone was asking me about this. I was like, okay. Yeah, right. Okay, it's quite risky. Yeah. Let's clear this zone first. I think 1977. 1977. Yeah. I think 1977 to clear this 1977. After that, I think the selling should be quite prominent. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So over at this point here, pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay. At least now we know. Okay. is looking good with this area here. Now the closing of this candle somehow rather show that the support is here. Am I right? Okay, support is here. So let me move this up here. Okay, with this. All right. Okay. All right. So let's see if there's another good engulfing candle there. Okay. Yep. We have to bring the price down to 1970 before the news. Okay. So take note as well. All right. Okay. Hang on. That's for the gold. That's for the gold. Okay. I'm talking about the. We are talking about the gold. 1970. Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yes. Oh my god. I'm having extension hour again. I'm having extension hour again. Right, guys, do remember to smash the like button if you like my channel, and if you like this community over here. Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we are having fun. We are having at the same time. All right. Usually I have 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. Okay, usually I will have 2 hours. Yeah, but I'm extended 15 minutes more now. Yeah, now only you realize. Yes. I'm too engrossed with all the questions and the explanation. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So let's see. All right. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. Yes, Sabrina, pound dollar. If looking at into M15, looks like buying is still highly possible, but with the show is smoking fire. Yes, Sabrina. Sorry. Okay. Yep. Over at this point here. Oh, okay. Yes, we still have to take note. Okay, this is still not a very good time to enter yet. No, still not a very good time to enter for buy. Okay. Yeah. Some I know some will enter a buy right here once they set up over at this point here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but personally, anyway, we are here to guide. Okay, if you have your way to enter, yeah, go ahead. Yes, all right. Okay. Retested. Okay, this area here. Okay. I would say it needs to, yes, retested what I would say it need to retest 129.726. You mean 127? This area? Okay. Just remember. Okay. Right. Yes, it's already 2 hours. Yes, JJ. Okay, this is the whole range. Remember, whether it's support or resistance, when I plot a line here, it can be. It always is a range. It can be this way. Okay, it can be this way. It can be the whole range here. Okay, remember it's never a line. Okay, it's never a price here. Okay, yeah, 129.780. Yeah. Okay, yes, it can be arranged like this. Okay, it can be arranged like this. So anytime when it comes back, retest this. Okay, it can go buy again. All right. So it's a range. All right, good. Now you understand that there's a range there. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let me take all this away so that it's clearer. Yeah. Okay, gold is a wild ride. Don't recommend for beginners or less experienced trader to trade it. Yes, that's right. Okay. Yep. So try to, yep. Okay. Try to understand what we quoted. Okay. We don't give signal, but we will try to discuss, you know, which are the time, which are the price that is good for selling, buying, where to go. Is if we are talking about, if the price is here, we are talking about target is 1982. Obviously, we are talking about buying. Am I right? Okay, so you can look out for the buying yourself, because you know you don't follow signal. If you follow signal, you never learn. That's one. And when you are talking about this, you're following a signal, it's never accurate. When we turn over, the price has already gone. Okay, never follow a signal. Okay, it's never a wise choice to do that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar swing down with this. Looks like okay. Looks like 1 2. Okay, so will this actually come back for the selling? Probably. Okay, so in this case over here, right, let's look at this. If this is going to take the support to build out another support here, maybe. Yeah, it can be. Yes. All right. Yeah, likely. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, will it actually go back up as a buy further up? All right, it also can. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, like Diary was saying that maybe testing into this 129,780 or maybe here 129,729 into this range. Yeah, probably it can be. Okay, yeah, if this is going to stop here and build up another green candle to go, you can see that support here, testing the support is not breaking, then highly likely we are going up. Earlier on here, the support is here, but is there any candles going higher high? No. So that means no entry, correct? No entry. What does it mean? No entry? Is it good? For now, of course, it's good, right? Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, you will be happy if you read the range. You can read the range and the price come to your reading. Then you know, okay, your reading is correct, and that's where you start to learn better. You get to know better. Yeah, am I right? Okay. Okay, so yeah, yes, okay. Let's see and let's see if this, you see, it's a bit struggling here, right? Okay, it's a bit struggling here. Yeah, so if we get a good long candle, we won't go in. That depends. Okay, that will depends. Depends on what do you mean by the long candle, huh? Okay. Okay. Alright, so if let's say if this is going to close here and setting up the buy another support, okay, let's say set up another support and then going for another candle to go. Yeah, alright. Yeah, waiting for gold to close bearish. 30 minutes to take sell on the next 30 minutes. Got nice range. 30 minutes. This nice range here. Okay, about 20 pips. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see if this is going to close below into this area. Okay, then I think that will be a good. All right, that's when you start to use Demonstrat. Nostradamus style. Yeah, I'm in for that goal. So if you're engulfing green candle, yep, okay. It's retesting the support right now. Yes, you're right. Okay, you're right. On gold, not pound dollar. Oh, on gold. I see. Okay, on gold. Okay. Yeah. I see. All right. Okay. Yeah. So let's see if how this is going to react. Okay. From this area. This area to this area. 40 pips. Very actually retrace down half. No, you don't do that. Okay, you don't calculate this way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so for pound dollar, gold TP 20 pips, well done. All right, congratulations. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, very good. Yeah, for pound dollar, right? For pound dollar, if you can see, we are closing right here a little bit, correct? You can see over here, right? So we are still marginal. If this is actually going lower low, all right, but look at the space down there. Okay, look at the space down there. The space down there, okay, we are coming into this week here. All right, it shows some support here. So is this a good place to start to enter a trade for selling? No, no, right? Okay. So hang on first. Hang on first. Okay. Yeah. Just hang on first. All right. So at the moment right now, we should be very clear that okay, this is not the place, no, not a good time yet, because we are still closing right at the support. We are testing the support right now, correct? Looking like going long, but not yet. Okay, because it has doesn't go on to the lower low into the correct area to sell. Neither it has a support to go for a buy. Neither way. Okay, neither. Okay, so since it's neither way, then no. Okay, all right. Yep. I did not wait for 1976 as 20p is over the budget. It's over the budget. Okay. It's good enough, right? Yeah, okay. I believe so. That's a good one. Okay, so for now, right, 3 minutes to M30 opening, okay, to see if this pound dollar is going for buying or selling, if it's going to break below or it's going to stay supported. So the next round to go as support. As you see, we are stopping at the support level, am I right? Okay, stopping at the support level. Just now it's building, now it's testing to show you the support is concrete there. Solid support. That's what we always quoted, huh? Alright. So over here, okay. So over here, you see something like this. Just now we were talking about this. Is similar case, huh? Similar. So this another round may be setting up here to push even higher. Okay, it may be pushing even higher for sorry, not H1, for M30 to maybe close even higher. Then then it's very obvious that buying is still ongoing. Okay, all right, yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go long but don't know. Okay, wait, hang on. Yeah, let's wait for this to close. Because it's testing the support, correct? The candle has not closed. It may go lower, it may close lower, it may close as support, correct? Either way, it may close either way. So in that case, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. All right. Okay. Yeah. Sabrina was saying that, oh, this is going crazy for me. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. 100 lot size, Barry. Okay, so I see that with how much capital you're trading, I'm currently trading a funded challenge with 25k. Why not just go for 100k? Okay, I mean for us I keep seeing like Caro and the rest was discussing about this funded. We always talk about 100k. I don't know. I mean, up to individual. Okay, up to individual. Right. Yeah. My 2 cents count. That's all. Okay. Yeah. All right. So yep. Sabrina, stop biting your nails. Okay. Yeah, she's so confused. She was saying that I'm so confused now. Okay. Okay. So we have, okay, it's closed. With M30 now looks like we have a support here. Am I right? Support level is quite clear over here. Alright, so looking into this area, buying is quite possible. Looking out, okay. Also have to be careful a little bit because in generally should be looking out for buying, okay. But look out for some resistance along the way. Look out for some resistance along the way, like over here, far left here. Okay, far left here. If this is going by, but it seems like it's kind of tough here. This area, okay, kind of tough. Okay, it can be kind of tough. Okay, so hold on first, let's see. Yep. Okay, let's see. Okay, and not yet there also. Okay. Yep. Wow, there's so many messages. I'm sorry, yep. Blah 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 blah. 100k champion. I'm broke. Live in third world country. Welcome. Okay, so paychecks are blah, 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 so, oh, I see. It's okay. It's okay. Well, any as long as your skills is there. Okay. Yeah, build up the skills there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Alexander. John, 1 to 2 pips, 100 loss sniper. Professional snipers. Okay, so yeah, look out for this area here. Okay, this looks like same things with this range here. Okay, yeah. Looking up into the buy, like I said, the buy can be a little bit tough up there because of this area here. Okay, but once it passes through, okay, once it passes through, it should be good. Okay, it should be good. All right, so we have another area here, somewhere here. Okay. All right. Okay. Which Balkan? Serbia? Oh, Serbia, I see. All right. No worries, okay. All right, no worries. Like I say, trade small to build your skill. Everyone starts small. Okay, everyone starts small. Keep your morale up. Okay, keep your morale up. Okay, and well, looking into this, looks like a pound dollar is going up there. All right, once it breaks through, we are ready. This is ready to fly. Okay, Dari, can you see? Dari, set up the support over here. It's become a higher high. Am I right? It's building up the higher high now. Okay, so should be here to here area now. Good. Study this. So from just now it came down. We look at let's recap a little bit. Okay, recap a little bit. With all the rejections here, it shows the support. Am I right? Okay, so it comes back down here. Like you say, it tested into 129.78. It stopped here. So it goes up. It's somehow rather it's built out a support and now tested again. You see this? All right. Okay, this is similar to this, right? Okay, now engulfing. Now good. Going. Okay, so still going. Okay. Now you see this? I'm sorry. I need more water. I've been on demo account for 9 months and profitable for 7 months. So now I'm doing funded to master mental state of accepting losing real money. 10 pips TP, Derek. Congratulations. Very good. Well done. Nah, good. That's good. That's good. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So now more or less you can understand, right? Okay. Good. That's a good job. Okay. So we are in the move of the bull. Okay, that's good. All right. So let's see if there's let's look into H1. Like I said, there's some turbulence area, this area here. All right. So let's put this up here. Okay. They are targeting 129,987. 129,987. Okay. Yep. Right. So let's see if this is still going. Okay. Yep. Good job, diary. Okay. It felt like it's go to 20 pips, but not wanting to be greedy. Well, always sometimes why I took 5 pips. All this is because since I started off with a small account. Okay, once I started off with a small account, then I come out with this idea. 5 pips. I took 5 pips. Okay, each time I took 5 pips, 5 pips, 5 pips. Reason behind is to build up my small account. Okay, 5 pips is easy to take, right? Okay, so as long as I take the 5 pips, I build up my small account slowly. Okay, once my account grow, I grow my lot size, but I still go with my 5 pips. As your lot size grow, okay, and slowly you will realize that the amount of money also grow, right? Amount of money also grow. Yes. Okay. So slowly, and you will know. Okay. Yes. I want to see you live. Am I not? Am I here? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So by taking 5 pips, let's say 0.01. I know it's small money. You may not see, but that is not small money. Okay, because each trade you take, it take effort, it take patience. Okay, and when it grow, all right, when your 5 pips become 1 lot, big 2 lots, 5 lots, 10 lots, your 5 pips is in the different value. Correct? Just like, have you heard of a story selling a Coca-Cola in the 7-Eleven, or you are selling Coca-Cola in a Shangri-La hotel? It's the same Coca-Cola, correct? But it's different value. Am I right to say that? Okay. So yeah, determine the value yourself. So build the value. Okay, build the value. That's what I meant, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's for Dari. No, that's not for Dari. That's for who? That's for Ninette. Right, Ninette. Okay. Yep. Okay. And Dari as well. So it doesn't matter 20 pips or 5 pips. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. One good trade. Correct. Yeah. Funding account using as well. Yeah. MFF. Okay. All this. Yeah. All right. Okay. So try selling Coca-Cola on the moon. I know some I heard about, they just don't pay out. Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, okay, 1974.8 is the target right now. Okay, let's take a look. All right, looks good over here. Aha, looks like it's moving towards our target. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think that's nice. Okay, Yeah, if you have gotten your profit, do share your joy with us. All right, that's how our community work. Okay, we are not showing off. We are taking TP, but we are sharing our joy. Okay, yeah, that's the week where body starts your target. Yeah, that's the week where body starts that's your target. Huh. Oh, okay, over here, right. Okay, I am the cook at the stand level, wanting to be the cook at Shangri-La. You can, Eddie. You will be. Okay, you will be. Alright. You will be, you will be. Okay? Yes. Okay, so for pound dollar, let's take a look. Come back here, pound dollar. I'm extending my hour again. Okay, just finish that in the next 20 minutes. Until H4, okay. Alright, until H4. Okay, yeah. I simply love to go live trading with all of you in this community. Yeah? No problem with paying out. It's a top 2 prop firm with FTMO. They don't have problem with the payouts. Okay, I think that's good. Alright. Yeah. Okay, so by looking into H4, okay, opening or closing, all right, looks like we are still good with that. Okay, we are still good with that, and still great. Okay, and let's see. Hopefully, it goes as high as possible. Okay, yeah. Oh, I cannot read this screen now. Let me readjust the screen. Okay. Okay, yep. Okay. Sabrina, yes. Okay. Nah, yep. I think that's pretty okay. All right. All right. Nice. Okay, so for pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar, we are still looking. By looking into this H4, we are closing up to 129,987. 129,987. That is one target up there first. All right. Okay, or you need to buy it, or I thought you just do challenges and you get access. No, you have to buy it. Okay, you have to buy it. Oh, 30 likes today? I don't know. I don't know how many likes do I have today. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I hope more likes. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Yes, okay. Have a nice day. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Mojic. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Okay, so yeah. Alright. Yeah, I see so many hearts running. Oh, flying around. Thank you very much, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, going up now. Wait for low retest and go up. Yep. Likely. Okay, likely the M5. Let's say. Okay, we are going to look out for this. Okay. It's going to break this area. It's going to break above 129,987. Come back down here to test onto 129,987 to build the same thing. Then continue the buy again from there. Okay, right. Okay, that's one. Okay, who did not hit the like 34 watching? Sabrina. Okay. Alright. Okay, yeah. Yes, 32 already. Carol will be fooling around with photos soon. Yes, Darry, where did you get the 129.87 from? H1. You look into H1, okay. Okay, look into H1 far left. You see this area, turbulence area. Okay, this turbulence area. Okay, I'm putting up the resistance here. Can you see this area? This is the highest. This is the highest of this turbulence area. Okay, over here, right? But if you look, no, let's do this. Let's do this. H4. Okay, you go into H4. You can see this area here. Okay, you can see this area here. All right, this area. Okay, this area here. Right, this area will be the one. Okay. If 40, I will do the picture. Okay, yeah. All right, okay. I thought that was too far. Right now we are already in the range of free rocketing. Okay, Elon Musk is with us now. Okay, StarX. StarX is with us now. Well, no, sorry, we are on the StarX. Okay, we are on the StarX. No, we are in the StarX. Okay, we are in the StarX. So, likely, okay, going to continue to go. Okay, I'm downloading MT4 when a setup like yours look more clear to trade on that setup than trading view. Okay, you also can do that. All right, you can also do that. Yeah, I have my trading view as well, but I still prefer to have MT4. I don't know why. I realized that the trading view, the price, not that prompt. It's not as prompt as the. It's not as prompt as this MT4. I'm not sure why. Okay, yeah. All right. So that's why I still prefer MT4. Okay. Why is that? Aussie franc TP. Oh, Manwai. Nice. Very nice. Earlier on, I think somebody was talking about Aussie franc as well, right? Okay. Wow, good retest over here. You see, it set up the resistance. It did not go lower low. It retests and it comes back again. Well done, very good, Manwai. Good job, 很好 Nice, 很棒 Okay, Manwai, by the way, how's your performance now? How's your 50 trades? 50 trades? Oh no, you have completed your 50, right? Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's go back for pound dollar. Okay, because H4 is opening soon. Yep. And let's see if the H4 is going to break out 129.987. And that's where we are going into this area here. All right. Yesterday, I think not yesterday, the day before, we have really discussed within my students corner. 130.287. I think Jack, am I right, Jack? I think Jack is the one who gave me the answer. Yeah, so far so good. Now still having SLTP also, still trading on SL. Okay, no problem. Okay, but are you still on your profit? That's more important. Most important, are you still on your profit? That is very important. Yeah, I want to get funded account but don't have money for it. Dari, keep it slow. Okay, no worries. Okay, train up first. Funded account usually for people where you have the skill, okay, and it's good to go for that. I don't know. Okay, up to individual. Okay, yeah, all right, yeah. Manwai, yes, still on profit. Very good. That's good to hear that. Okay, Jack Daniels. What do you mean, Jack Daniels? Just getting it, won't use it. I think you have to buy it. You got to buy it, huh? Alright, so come on. Okay, we are getting on. Okay. Oh, Jack. Oh, I see Jack. Jack Daniel. Okay, Jack. Okay. No, one of my student named called Jack. Okay. Zach. Z-A-C-H. Zach. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so Jack from Penang, Malaysia. Penang, Malaysia. Yeah. Okay, I guess I hope yeah. Okay, so we are looking into this price. All right. Okay. Yeah. Caro is Jack Daniel. Yeah. Ah, yeah, popcorn. Yes. Do you remember I asked this question and you answered me and I say you are not supposed to be the one answered me. Okay. Yeah, I remember that. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Probably use bot Eric method with it. Bot do. Okay, take it easy. All right. Yeah. Anyway, I guess all of you are good. Yeah. Soon everybody will be good. Okay. Sooner or later, I think. Who is this? Caro. Oh my god, I can't remember the name. The prop firms. What's the name you're using? Oh my god. FTMO. Right. FTMO. Yeah. Yeah. Probably one day FTMO will all engage us. Engage this community. Then we will be one big trading team in FTMO. Huh? Yeah. Yes, Jack. Yeah, Jack, you are right. Yeah. Okay. 你还记得吗？我问这个问题 Jack, you are the one who gave me the answer. Am I right? You are the one who gave me the answer. Huh? Okay. Yeah. So now we are moving towards your answer. Huh? Okay. That's very good. Okay. Yeah. 1651. No chance for entry for buy. Anyway, now. Okay. Yeah, I prefer barley soup. Same what Eric drinks now. No. I'm okay. I'm drinking kahawa. Okay. No, not kahawa. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, John, what is that? Coffee without sugar. Yeah. Okay, so yep. Let's see. We are closing. We're 8 minutes to that. Isn't that means coffee? Kahawa coffee? Yeah. Yeah. Torongi. Yes. Torongi. Yeah. What is the story behind the barley soup? Oh, okay, then we'll leave it to Caro. Yeah, Caro. Yeah, we have a long story. Yeah, 1302. Yep. Yes, correct. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay. Kahawa my ass. It's really kahawa, okay? Yeah. we cannot go against the rule, okay? While trading, we have to stick with the rule. Okay, so yep, let's take a look. M5. Oh, some retracement down. Okay, so let's see where is the next support that we are going to look out for. Is this the one? Is this maybe the one? Usually don't call it support. Okay, it's calling an area to set up a higher low. Okay, it's an area to set up a higher low. All right, so okay, it's an area to set up a higher low. Okay, it's an area to set up a higher low. All right, this is a support. Okay, so this is an area to set up a higher low. So we have a low here, higher low here. Sorry, higher low here. Let's do this. From the low we have a higher low. Okay, and we have a higher low, right? And now we are having a higher low area. So the price may come in here, then go up, then we'll see a higher low here. Okay, 129.77.1, 77.1. This is the support. Okay, yeah, this is a support. The range is here. Okay, but this area, this may be a higher low area. That it may comes in here and then become a support to go up higher, so it will become a higher low. All right, this is the low, higher low, higher low here. Okay, right, 5 minutes to go. All right, we have 5 minutes to go. Okay, so for example, a low here, all right, another higher lows here, another higher lows here. Okay, so there'll be another higher lows here. So can you see higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low? That's what I meant. Okay, okay, so let's take a look. Okay, yep. Okay, so when price comes down to this area, it may go further up. Okay, it may go further up for that area. Okay, it will, and then it will still continue to push even higher. Okay, likely, likely. Okay, so 129.987. Okay, pound yen. Yes, pound yen. Let's take a look. Pound yen. H4 candle is closing above the resistance of H4. Possible having buy today. Pound yen is on the buy. Pound yen is on the buy today. Okay, pound yen is on the buy today. So should be looking on buying. Yes. So once it closes above the resistance, okay, over into this area here. Okay, to be exact. All right, here. So once it close above. Right, so you can see once it close above, yeah, then once it set up the resistance, okay, sorry, set up the support, okay, then we can same thing, okay, retest to set up the support here, and we are ready to go for the buy. Okay, then we are ready to go for the buy. All right, yeah, okay. All right, I realized something, guys. I didn't go to my key bell. I did not go to my key bell. Oh my god. All right. Oh my. No wonder I suddenly felt so. Yes. Where is the best place to know where is the news coming? Forex Factory. Yeah. I just have a feel. Oh yeah, I didn't go to my key bell yet. Okay, so yep, all right, so just keep a lookout. Okay, over here seems like over into this area here we are going near. Will it actually hit 130.20 today? Yeah, right. You have it on trading view on the bottom of the chart. Yes, you can also have it at the bottom of the chart. Yeah, your kidney is growing too, like your pot. No, you know why? Because I think today I'm having coffee. Alright, so I'm having my kahawa. Turungi. Yeah, turungi. So sip by sip, I don't feel it. Yeah, but I just want to go. Okay, yeah, last 2 minutes. Okay, and last 2 minutes, then I shall see you guys tomorrow. Okay, yeah, for pound dollar, let's have some planning. This may be the area, it may comes back in here to set up the support once again to go further up. Okay, alternatively, it may needs to break below this area of 129.780 to form a resistance, then it may go down. Okay, but today we are in the bull trend. Okay, bull trend. Okay, please be careful. If you are going to sell pound dollar, look out for 129.780. It should close below 129.780 to go for selling. Okay, to go for selling. All right, if not, it will still keep above and it will still continue to go up to take the target up there. Okay, first target 129.987. When I say first target, it doesn't mean TP1, TP2, TP3. I don't do that. Okay, I don't do that. I don't do all these things. Okay, first target means it may hit this. Okay, then let's wait for the next round, then you enter for the another range from here up to here. Okay, another 11 pips only. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, All right. Okay, so yep, okay, then okay, all right. Let's see. Okay, H4 has opened. Okay. Right, and let's see over here. Seems like now H4 we have managed to close right above this area. So area here. So now going for 129.987 before any retracement. Before any retracement. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. All right. Let's see. Yes. Good for explaining that take profit 1 2 is usually a trap. Yeah. Okay. My arrow. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for coming in today. All right, I hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope more profits will be coming in. Yes, I don't do that too. Those TP 1 2 3 is always those signals group. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, they have their ways. No comments for that. All right. So since all of you are already know that what are the kind of trades that you are going to take, you know what is that, right? Okay, guys, I really have to go. Okay. My keyboard is really calling for me. Okay. Good luck to all of you, and with bountiful of profits. Alright, thank you so much, and I shall see you tomorrow. Do remember to smash the like button for me, and I shall see you again tomorrow. Alright. Okay, and remember, stay away from trading the high impact news today. Okay. Alright, go. Alright, thank you so much. See you. Okay. Alright, thank you very much, guys. See you again.